We recently embarked on a Norwegian cruise on the MS Artania, staying in cabin number 8203. This cabin is situated on the LIDO deck, deck 8. The suites on this deck have names, and our cabin was called the Bach Suite. So let's take a look around. It's a 2-bed suite with a sliding door to a private balcony in the category V4 with the Phoenix Gold service. And a very spacious cabin it is too. Approximately 40 square meters, including the balcony. It's all very tastefully decorated. The 2 beds can be put together to make a large double bed. Each bedside has a small cabinet with 2 drawers, and on top there's a wireless charging station as well as USB and USB-C sockets. We have a large living area with a sofa, table and chair. There was a very nice welcome present waiting for us, along with some other extras for us to keep, including an umbrella, a little shopping bag, and 2 thermos drink containers. 2 pairs of binoculars were available for use during the cruise. Here we have a large dresser with a coffee machine including capsules, a folder containing onboard information, postcards, notepad and stationery. Also headphones, receivers and neck straps for excursions. There's a well-stocked minibar with a choice of drinks and 2 drawers, one with coffee cups and saucers, glasses and some snacks, and one with wine glasses and bottles of sparkling and still water. All very elegant. On the other side of the bed, behind a sliding door, there's a walk-in wardrobe complete with 2 bathrobes, 2 beach towels, and 2 pairs of slippers. There's a safe and a hairdryer. In an additional open wardrobe unit with hooks and hangers for raincoats, we have 2 large Phoenix bags to keep and 2 extra umbrellas for use during our stay. Onto the bathroom. Again, very spacious and tastefully decorated. A toilet, of course, and a sink with plenty of mirrored storage. This was a lovely surprise. And a walk-in shower with 1 handheld and 1 overhead rain shower head. And here we have a lovely large balcony with 2 reclining chairs and a table. This is simply wonderful. So, our cruise can begin.